Okay, for the past few weeks, we've been doing all sorts of budget builds on the channel, right? But no, not happening today. Today, we'll be doing something different, guys, something epic. And that is why we will be building the ultimate ROG gaming PC of 2021. And this video is gonna be super fun. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super fun and I'm very excited for this video because as I've told you just now, we will be building the ultimate ROG gaming PC of 2021, and this is like a top-notch exotic build that you might have never seen anywhere before, and I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love the result because we will be using all exotic components, guys, like top-notch premium category components from the brand. And I've been waiting very eagerly for this video because I had to wait really long to collect all these parts because they were not easily available in the Indian market, and I'm probably the first person to actually get hold of some of these parts, guys, and you might have never seen anywhere in the Indian YouTube channel. So I'm pretty excited for this. So before we get started, let me tell you that this build will offer you insanely crazy fast gaming results, and you can call it like a supercomputer because no matter what sort of game you throw at it, 1080p, 1440p, 4K, this PC is gonna literally crush it. I'm telling you, right? Anyways, guys, before we actually start with the PC components and stuff, I'd like to thank Asus for actually sponsoring this video. So yeah, let's get started. First, talking about the CPU, guys. So this is like a complete Intel build and we'll be using one of the best gaming CPUs from Intel right now. It's the 11th gen i9-11900K. It's an 8-core 16-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.3 GHz, and this is going to give you good gaming results. You can expect very nice 4K 60 FPS gaming as well, which you'll get to see in this video. And if you talk about the motherboard, now here I had a few plan changes actually. Initially, I wanted to go with ROG's Maximus 13 Extreme Glacial motherboard, guys. It's one of a kind motherboard, but unfortunately what happened is I did get my hands on the motherboard. It's right over here, but what happened is it's a liquid cooled motherboard, guys, complete water cooled. You can't use your regular air or liquid coolers on it. So for that purpose now I actually ordered a Corsair Hydro X liquid cooler kit also, but unfortunately I still didn't get it. It's still stuck in customs and I didn't want it to delay this video, and that is the reason I actually had to change the motherboard from that one to the Maximus 13 Extreme, guys, the regular Extreme edition. Now this is also no slouch, guys. This is second to the best in their lineup. It's basically a Z590 motherboard only that comes with LGA 1200 socket made for the Intel 11th gen CPUs, but it's also compatible with Intel 10th gen CPUs, and it's a very good motherboard, guys. If you ask about the features, all top-notch features only. Very nice build quality. It's got 18+2 power stage design that offers excellent power solution to your CPU, chunky blocks of heatsinks on the VRM section and also the M.2 areas. And if you talk about the other stuff, well, as usual, Asus new lineup comes with complete AI powered, right? You've got AI noise cancelling feature available, AI overclocking is also there, AI networking is also there, AI cooling, and whole lot of stuff. Now you can easily overclock everything with just a single click, guys, thanks to that AI solution. And coming to networking part, it's got next gen networking solution on board. Wi-Fi 6E is there, Bluetooth is also there. And talking about the storage, it's got 5 M.2 slots on it that support PCI Gen 4 also. So it's complete future proof. Very nice motherboard. So that was about the motherboard, guys. Now moving on. See, for the cooling solution, I am getting something unique from ROG. It's their all new Ryujin 2 360 AIO, guys. So this is a Mark II of their existing Ryujin AIO cooler and comes with massive upgrades. First thing is it comes with a 3.5-inch on-board display, guys, LCD display, which is the biggest display that any AIO has in the market right now, and it's also fully customizable. Comes with Asus Aura Sync support, has Assetix 7th gen pump on board, and also has high performance Noctua fans. So that is a cooler that we'll be using. And for the GPU part right now, this is a very powerful PC. Definitely 30 series only, and in the 30 series also we are using ROG's Strix RTX 3080 OC edition GPU, guys. Now obviously it will be Strix ROG only because it's the whole theme itself is ROG, right? That's why I'm using all the components from ROG only. So we are using a top-notch GPU here also with 10 GB GDDR6X memory, so you can expect great gaming even in 4K resolution. And what else is left? Now talking about the power supply, even this one is from ROG, guys. It's the Thor 1200 watts platinum rated power supply, and that comes with like a tiny OLED display also, and like beautiful RGB lighting as well. Now coming to the RAM, guys, we're using something from T-Force. Unfortunately, ROG doesn't make any RAM as of now, and that is why I had to go with something else. I'm using Nighthawk RGB RAM from T-Force, 16 GB kit clocked at 3600 megahertz. And lastly, guys, coming to the case. Now case is also something unique and special, and this is something that you might have already seen in one of my recent videos, guys. This is ROG's all new Helios White Edition PC case, guys. I've been like eagerly waiting to get my hands on this case, and it's finally happening. Today we are building this PC in that case only. It's like a massive case, guys, and has like beautiful design, complete silver, brushed aluminum frame on it, three-sided tempered glass panels, built-in ROG, RGB lighting, and you'll get to see what this case is in a few moments. So that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the components we'll be using for today's build, and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the build. Alright, guys, our build is all done, and what you're seeing right now is the ultimate ROG masterpiece of 2021. Let me just power it on and show you how this baby looks like. Oh my god, now that is what I call a stunner. I think I'm in love with this PC, guys. I mean, just look at it. The build looks drop dead gorgeous and has a futuristic touch to it. Like literally every component used over here from ROG has a display of its own. That is so cool, right? I especially love the display on the cooler and the motherboard. They're fully customizable using the Armory Crate software, and I love the pre-included ROG animations. And get a load of that GPU, the Strix 3080. That is quite a chunky boy right there, ready to take down any game you throw at it. You know what? I can just keep on staring at this black and white beauty all day without getting tired. It's like eye candy to me. So guys, just sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, and I hope you enjoy these beautiful RGB shots. And here's the complete setup we'll be using today. Links for all the peripherals will be in the description box below. Okay, I know you all have been like eagerly waiting to see the benchmark results, so without wasting any more time, let's directly jump into that. First, let's start off with our all-time favorite GTA 5. We're playing this game at 1080p resolution with all the graphics set to ultra and maxed out, so let's see how it goes.
Yo, we still gonna meet up? For sure. You even think of apologizing?
See, this PC is a total beast, guys. We're using the best gaming CPU from Intel available right now, the 11th Gen i9, and pair that with ROG Strix 3080 OC Edition GPU, and there's nothing less you can expect. It can easily do 4K 60 FPS gaming at ultra graphics and 1080p to Muska, you don't even need to ask. Just look at those frame rates. A solid 180 plus FPS on GTA 5. The max that you can get in this game is 188, so we're almost peaking it, guys. Buttery smooth gaming experience, and I didn't need to even overclock anything. Also, look at the thermals. Very well maintained. Even after intense sessions of gaming, the CPU is settling only around like 65 to 66 degrees centigrade. The Ryujin 2 AIO is doing a good job over here. No matter what game you play on it, any AAA title you take, you're gonna get similar results on this PC. I'm telling you right, you're gonna love the experience. Let's also play one more game, which is Doom Eternal. We're playing this game also at 1080p ultra graphics. Holy smokes, you guys seen that? On an average, we were getting around 360 FPS and sometimes even hitting above 400 FPS. That is nuts, man. This is a kind of performance you can expect from this configuration. Well guys, time to wrap it up. Let me quickly summarize the component prices for you. Intel's 11th Gen i9 11900K CPU costs 62,000 rupees in India. ROG Z590 Maximus 13 Extreme motherboard costs around 80,000 rupees. The Ryujin 360 Mark II AIO cooler from ROG is available for 28,000 rupees. And coming to the GPU, the Strix 3080 OC edition is priced at 90,000 rupees. T-Force Nighthawk RGB 16GB RAM kit costs around 13,000 rupees. And talking about the PSU, the ROG Thor 1200 Platinum power supply costs 30,000 rupees and the Strix Helios White Edition case is priced around 28,000 rupees. Now lastly, coming to the storage part, I'll leave this up to you depending on your requirement, but I've used a 2TB PCI Gen 3 SSD in this build which costed me around 25,000 rupees. So the total budget of this build comes down to almost like 3,56,000 rupees. And in case if you want to go like complete liquid cooling with the glacial motherboard, then that will cost you above 4.5 lakh rupees. And this, my friends, was the ultimate ROG build of 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this beauty. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.